Alright, what are you eating? Skittles?
Yeah. I put the kisses.
Huh?
And put the kisses.
Mm-hmm.
What one?
What is it?
Put the kiss.
I'll take that. And what else?
Skittle.
What?
Skittle.
I'll take that.
No, that's it.
I only get these two?
Yeah.
A Reese's and an M&M?
Not Reese's and M&M. Put the kiss. A cow and a horse.
A horse? Reese's Pieces and a cow.
No. Pussycats and Skittles.
Oh, what do I know?
And that's it.
That's it?
Yeah. Now eat the pussycats.
Do you want to open it for me?
Sure.
What is it?
Pussycats. Now I get one. Now I opened it for myself.
Is that a Skittle?
No, I'm pussycat. No, it's a cow.
No, it's not. It's a horse.
No, it's a pussycat.
It's a dog.
Pussycat.
It's a Skittle.
No, a pussycat.
Oh my goodness. Who knew?
Who remembers?
That's a chicken.
You're not a pussycat.
It's a chicken.
No pussycat.
Alrighty. Hershey Kiss.
Hey, where's mine?
What?